Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling the essentials: a motion sensor, wiring, and a power source like a generator or battery. Place the sensor at about 1 to 2 meters, facing the path you expect zombies to take. This maximizes detection. Once placed, run wire from your power source to the sensor, leaving slack for a junction. Make sure connections are clean so you won't waste power. Now that power reaches the sensor, you're ready to link it to the next component in the circuit. Once power reaches the sensor, connect its output to the device you want triggered: a relay, timer, alarm, or light. You should use a timer if you need a controlled pulse. Set it for 1 to 10 seconds for quick alerts or longer for full alarms. If using a relay, the relay isolates heavy loads and protects the sensor. Test the circuit by walking in front of the sensor. Short pulses or a triggered alarm confirm correct wiring and polarity. If it fails, recheck connections and fuses. To finish, fasten the sensor and protect wiring with tape or conduit so environmental damage won't kill the setup. Now run full tests. Walk several approaches, test at night, and simulate horde movement to ensure range and trigger behavior. If the sensor triggers too often, make sure to adjust its angle, reduce sensitivity if available, or add a small cover to block irrelevant motion. If it never triggers, double-check power, fuse, and that the sensor faces unobstructed space. Then retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.